Today we discussed about pinous ovule structure. Pinous ovule structure. Pinous ovule belongs to Anatrapus-like structure. It shows mainly two major portions at early age. One is integuments. Second one is diploid nucellus. Around the nucellus, three integument layers are present. From these three integument layers, inner layer is fleshy, inner fleshy layer. Middle layer is stony middle layer, and outer layer is also fleshy layer. These are present around the diploid nucellus, and these integument layers are leaves one place called micropylar region of the ovule. Opposite micropylar region of the ovule, chalagal end is present. It is the young ovule structure, but matured ovule contains female gametophyte at the micropylar region. From the diploid nucellus, one single diploid nucell act as a megaspore mother cell. That megaspore mother cell participated in the reduction or meiosis division to form four haploid cells. The four haploid cells are called megaspores. The four haploid megaspores develop into female gametophyte. Each haploid cell develop into female gametophyte. In this female gametophyte, one nucleus is present. It participated in the rapid divisions. The rapid divisions are filled with female gamete. Rapid division cells are developed. That cells are filled with female gametophyte. From these cells, some cells act as a archegonium. Female gametophyte haploid cells at micropylar region, some cells act as a archegonium. Archegonium containing one haploid nucleus. These archegoniums are present at the micropylar region. These archegonium present at the micropylar region of the ovule. Archegonial position of ovule is called archegonial chamber. And above these archegonial chamber, pollen chamber is present. Here it is, pollen chamber is present. Pollinated pollen grains are take rest 9 months of rest in the pollen chamber. And nucellus tissues shows beak-like structure at the micropylar region. Beak-like structure at the micropylar region. The beak-like structure is called nucellular beak or nucellus beak. Nucellus beak or nucellular beak. It is the matured ovule structure. The pollinated pollen grains are developed into pollen grains. The pollen grain develop into pollen tube. In each pollen tube, two unequal male gametes are present. The two unequal male gametes, one male gamete fused with one archegonial nucleus, another male gamete fused with another archegonial nucleus to form diploid zygote. See, more number of diploid zygotes are formed in the pinous ovule. From this archegonium, more number of zygotes are formed. From this female gametophyte, more number of zygotes, diploid zygotes are formed. Each diploid zygote develop into complete plantlet. Now it is the ovule structure of Pinus and fertilization of Pinus.